don't like that step. This one. The one below it kind of slopes back into it as well.
Before it starts.
You fucking idiot, Mark! Every time! Every damn time!
Don't swear, you're on camera.
She's not bothered. Honestly, everyone we go to, don't we, Mark? This room where we're going to do the moose grab. Mark?
No.
You're not in this room.
Oh shit,
Next floor.
I've seen doll in there.
Where?
Kevin, you sleep there, especially them first two. Then get done.
Hang on. No, hold my torch. Hold the torch.
Put the torch
like that. Hold hands.
No, you've got to hold hands. No, I'm standing out.
You better not be playing me, son, today.
Oh, you good.
What's good? I forgot to be okay to watch it.
Can I just ask if anybody else's chest has gone tight?
Yes.
Has yours gone tight? As soon as I come in this room.
I must admit, Bernie, I'm actually taking deep breaths to take normal.
Yeah.
Unless you want me to go, you want to do that?
I can't believe I'm having hands today.
Yeah, we were with you.
I go around.
Okay. Calling all spirits in the confines of Old Gresley Hall to come forward, work with us tonight. Give us a sign that you're here, that you can see us, that you can hear us, that you want to communicate with us. Whether it's through touch, smell, make us feel a certain way. Whatever way it is possible for you to communicate, that's what we want. So if there's any spirits here tonight, you can start off by making themselves known to us, please. Maybe walk around, touch somebody's hair,
Ian, can you
touch someone on the shoulder,
please?
Okay. If there's any spirits in the room, if you can see these green lights on the floor, if you can try and walk towards it, please, and see if you can turn one of them or both of them to orange or red for me, please. Maybe you could use one side for yes and the other side for no. Thank you. Okay, so...
Well, I've only got shorts on there.
I'm wearing a skirt, I'm not even shaved.
How about if...
Oh no, I've got a flash.
Okay, see if you can go back towards the same K2 you was at before. You still in the room with us? Come on, don't be shy. You've already just shown that you're here. I just want you to use them both, so you can use a yes and a no for me. Come on, don't be shy. Come into the circle for me. Come on, don't be shy. Come into the circle for me.
Put the needles in the oven.
That one
over there is just best.
This one over here.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah, it's
How is everyone feeling? You've got pins and needles.
I've got a frozen finger.
I'm feeling like new. I'm feeling good.
That's one downstairs there.
That breathing?
Not sure, just heard someone shout.
Is everything up here?